and hotels are open. What is at least the function halls are happening at a very limited pace, so food is reduced over there. But many hotels where the food where they produced is not being consumed, where that food is going, is it going into drainage, wastage that you can use to feed the poor people or sell it at a very reasonable rate, where it should be used like a service. Feed the poor. So we take the responsibility of distributing the unsold good food to be served to the poor, to the orphanages. We need voluntary participation of the hotels for this, and I need lot of volunteers who are ready to serve, to do service to the poor and for the hungry people. It's not always necessary to take money from your pocket and do service. If you have the will in your heart to do service, please join with us. Apart from that, when coming to temples, it is a time to change. Previous days, whatever we do offer for the abhishek of the temple, for the main idol, it is being collected and then given as panchamrut to the devotees, and all the prasadam which was given is being distributed to the devotees. But now all the offerings, from coconut water to the ghee to the milk to the honey, all nutritious food and fruit juices, everything is landing in drainage. Offering to the god is not a bad thing, but that is supposed to be get collected as panchamrut and then given to the public, to the devotees. It is the most nutritious food. In the olden days, all the schools are used to be attached to the temples. All the pupils and all the devotees, before going to work, before going to their farms, anything, they used to go to the temple and pray for the god and take this as prasadam. That is the most nutritious food they used to get in the form of prasadam. They eat or don't eat at home, even they are poor or rich, it's the same food which is required to perform one whole day's work. That much nutrients, proteins, fats, what not, everything is there in that offering, the early abhisheks, prasadams. Now that thing is being landed into the drainage system of the temples now. That should be changed, at least now after this lockdown, where food is the most important thing in this entire world. Food can only keep a man or a human being or any life alive. So please, as a devotee, as a believer in God, when we offer something to the temple, please utilize it how it was taught in Vedas. Nothing should be wasted. Especially the nature's product should not be wasted. Nature should not be spoiled. Recently I had a conversation about this with a temple priest. He is even putting on AC for the whole night for the idol in the temple, to take rest, to sleep happily. Such a kind of devotee. But he is not ready to offer food to the poor sitting in outside. What should we call this? Don't be in blind faith. Believe in God. Know the properties of God, His characteristics, and do what He likes. Not just do sitting and throwing flowers and doing job. Do some work. And all the money mantra fans who do and visualize money falling, coming. Money is always a byproduct of work. Do some work and get that money and utilize it for some good things. Again, the God will give you the strength to do more work. The blessings of the people who received the fruit of your work will give you more work. So help us to achieve this and bring some change in this society and the mindset of the people. Stop being greedy. Work for yourself, for your family, and for the society. That's it. Nothing more you can do or we can do until our death comes. So join us hands. Let us treat each other as friends and let us help the unknown